Would you like to know how to attract younger women? Many people think that younger women are only interested in men their age, but that's not always true. In fact, many younger women find older men incredibly appealing for a variety of reasons, and it's not as impossible as it might seem. Today, I'm sharing with you a 5-step method that can completely shift how you approach attraction and dating. Let's get started. Tip number 1, build trust first. Being older and wiser doesn't mean you need to be distant or serious all the time. Show her your fun, lighthearted side. Smile, make jokes, and keep the energy lively. The maturity and experience you've gained over the years will make you more appealing when you balance it with a youthful energy. This combination can create an exciting dynamic that makes her want to spend more time with you. Tip number 2, be confident and take the lead. Younger women are often attracted to older men because of their confidence and leadership qualities. They're looking for someone who knows how to take control without being overly assertive. Show them you can plan a great evening or offer thoughtful advice when needed. This level of maturity and self-assurance is very attractive. And yes, financial stability is often a plus in their eyes, but it's your confidence and life experience that will really make you stand out. Tip number 3, engage her imagination. Don't be afraid to subtly flirt and build a connection with her. Start with playful glances, a light-hearted comment, or a compliment. As the conversation progresses, use these opportunities to build rapport. If she's receptive, you can gradually move the conversation toward a more flirtatious tone, but always keep it respectful. Flirting should feel natural, never forced. Tip number 4, be a leader, not a follower. One of the biggest advantages older men have is their life experience. While younger men might be unsure of how to handle certain situations, you can step in with confidence and show her the way. Whether it's choosing the perfect restaurant or making decisions with clarity, these little moments of leadership will make her see you as someone she can rely on. And don't forget to be chivalrous with simple gestures like holding doors or pulling out her chair. It's a lost art for many younger guys. Tip number 5, stay cool, don't be needy. The biggest mistake many men make is appearing too eager. Stay relaxed and don't rush things. Pay attention to her reactions and pace your actions accordingly. Desperation can be a major turnoff, so it's essential to stay composed and patient. Show her that you're interested without being too pushy, and she'll respect you for it. By following these steps, you'll naturally increase your chances of forming a meaningful connection. And don't forget, it's all about confidence, maturity, and knowing how to enjoy the moment. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell so you don't miss more valuable tips like these.